Welcome friends. In this video I am going to do technical analysis of Pundi X token and I will tell you my next immediate short-term targets, my next medium duration targets, my next long duration target for this token right now. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel, join my Telegram channel for more informative content and very useful information. Links are in this video's description and please thumbs up the like button right now for the motivation. This is CoinGecko page of Pundi X and it is currently trading at $0.00646 and price decreased 14.5% in 24 hours. Market cap of this token is 1.5 billion and 24-hour trading volume of this token is 1.3 billion. And circulating supply of this token is 2.3 trillion and current rank of this token is 65 million. And this is the website. Just click on this button. This will lead you to the website of this token. And this is the website. Please visit this website and please do your own research before buying this token and investing in this token. I will not responsible any of your loss because I am not a financial advisor. This video is just for informational purpose only. Please visit the website and please read the project, and after that you can deposit at your own risk. This is the website, and here you can see this is the most versatile payment ecosystem of its kind, and these are major things, and Pundi, Verifone and some other. This is the app, and you can visit, and Xpos is available in 30 plus countries. Visit this website and please do your own research before buying this token because cryptocurrency is very risky. Why the Pundi Xpos? In addition of digital currency and fiat transactions, the Xpos can also support marketing and loyalty programs. The Xpos, in short, is an all-in-one solution for retailers. This is the app and main thing. Reduce your cost and increase your revenues. And Pundi X rewards did this, and this is the roadmap. This is the 2021 roadmap. Quarter 1, quarter 2. These things can happen in quarter 2 or 3. And let's dive into the fundamental tech analysis. And let me please do this. Here you can see 8 major events Pundi X having in this year, and these are the events. On 15 April 2021, Pundi X token, and on 30 June 2021 earlier, Africa Xpos Networks set up more Xpos distribution networks in Africa during quarter 2 2021. Xpos DeFi functionality and XPay for online merchant. This is a good event, and this will be on 30 June or before in quarter 2. Test XPay for online merchants during quarter 2 2021. I think XPay is the app of this token. Token reduction swap. We will execute the reduction plan by the end of the March. In the meantime, the team will start preparing the new token contracts on 31 March or before in this month. Xpos action to MPOS. X Wallet decentralized feat. Launch more decentralized features on X Wallet. X Wallet is the wallet of the Pundi X, and blockchain-based loyalty program will launch on 30 June or before 30 June. And Pundi X ready nomination. These all our events are in this year, and these are 8 events. Some are in quarter 1 and some are in quarter 2. Let's dive into the chart of the Pundi X, and let me please tell you my targets. This is the Pundi X. These are 4-hour Binance chart, and all-time high of this token was on this chart is 0.0008, and currently it is at 0.0063146. And let me please tell you my immediate short-term target for this token right now. This is my, let me please do this. This is my immediate short-term target. $0.01 is my $0.01 is my immediate short-term target. This is the horizontal resistance. Once Pundi X break this horizontal resistance, definitely it will hit this target 0.01. This is my first target, immediate short-term target. These green lines are the support level for the Pundi X right now. Please note down these support levels. And let me please tell you my second target. You can see Pundi X is creating a bull flag right now, and let me please tell you the target. Friends, please thumbs up the like button for the motivation right now. And it is creating bull flag, and it is very volatile. It is in good uptrend, and definitely this token should have to hit my targets, and I am much sure that it will hit. And this is the second target of this token, and let me please show you. Bull flag target is 0.015092, and second target is, you can say, this is the first target. Once it break this upside resistance, upside trend line, then its target will be this 0.0105, and these are two targets, 0.0101 and 0.0105. These are two immediate short-term targets for this token right now. And let me please show you my medium duration target for this token right now. Friends, please show your support to me and please thumbs up the like button right now. According to the Fibonacci, it is currently in between 0.61 and 0.78, and first target will be 0.008, and which is the Fibonacci level of 1. And let me please show you my long duration targets for this token right now. First of all, the medium duration targets. I think definitely this token should have to hit this target. Within this bull run, within 6 months, I think this token should have to hit $0.034 and should have to give you 457% profit if you buy this token from that point. And this is the target. This is the target, you can say, target of 6 months. And let me please tell you the target of 2021, which I think is very much possible. This token can hit. This is the target. 0.05 is the target of this bull run and in this 2021. And this token should have to give you 700% gain because of this technical analysis target and just because of the fundamental events, fundamental news and events. I think so this token can hit these targets in 2021. I am very much sure that this token can hit. These are the targets, friends. Please thumbs up the like button right now. And if you want to buy some tokens from Binance Exchange, then please go to in this video's description where you can get the link of Binance Exchange. Just click on this link and create your account. It will take only 30 seconds to create. And if you want to get some low cap altcoins, then you have to open Hotbit account. This is the link of Hotbit account, Hotbit Exchange, sorry. And if you want to open a leverage trading account, then this is the link of Bybit Exchange. Just click on this link and create your account. It will take only 30 seconds. Thanks friends. Thanks for the watching, and friends, please keep supporting me. Take care.